What's Misha doing? Step up. There's your bottle. Oh, here goes Misha. Misha wants to play with the bottle. Oh no, it's playtime. 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 Uh-oh. Misha's like, no, you play with the truck. Just playtime. Playtime. I threw it over there across the house. Hey!
Hello!
Hello!
Hello! Hello! Hello! Hello!
You got two trucks over there. Oh, you want your Nilla Wafers. You just want to play truck. Did I left your cage door open? Yep, I threw it.
Hello! 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 Hello!
Look at your truck. Look,
Hello?
you guys opened my mail.
Hello?
I opened it and threw it on the floor. Because somebody here distracts me from doing anything. I forget what I'm doing.
Hello! 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 Hello!
Yeah. See, this is a fan.
Hello!
You're scared of it, which is good. It's keeping Boo away from the cookies.
Hello!
Hey! Bad bird!